everybody. If you watched our last video, you would know that we have some news to share. If you haven't watched it yet, go back and check it out. What we wanted to share with you guys is we have moved from Western Maryland to Eastern Florida. We've been here for about 2 months, learning our way around and exploring, and I think things are moving along so far. Wouldn't you say?
I would say so. Things are definitely warmer here than where we moved from. We left with snow on the ground and moved here to, what was our first week here, like 70 degrees? So
It was like 60-ish. They were finishing up their cold snap when we first got here.
It was nice. So, but we do have something else that we didn't tell you about, another little surprise. In this video, you'll actually see our oldest son. He doesn't always travel with us, but he is in this video, so you get to see him in this one. And what we plan on doing is visiting some of the Florida area here while we're here. So our next couple videos will be about that. We plan on doing the Florida Keys. We want to see the Gulf side. We've never been to that side yet. And we also heard that there's some warm springs here, so we want to go check those out as well. But if any of you guys out there have any ideas for us, let us know as far as visiting places in Florida. We would much appreciate that. And also make sure that you subscribe. That way you don't miss any of our new up and coming videos of Florida. And do you have anything else?
Obviously, those are a lot more of the better known places that will go and take you guys along. But you'll certainly see some videos as well of some of the things around our local area, hikes and parks and beaches and cool little things that we're finding along the way as we're checking things out. So we'll show you those things as well and all the little unique features that we're finding around the area that we're at.
And I guess we'll go ahead and we'll move on to the move. So we hope you enjoy this, and as always, we'll see you in our next one. Alright, so it is official. We are moving to Florida. We have 2 weeks left in order to get everything packed up on a moving truck and get it down to our new place in Florida. As you can see, we have tons of boxes that are being packed. Some packed, some not packed yet, but we're getting there. And we're in the process of basically getting started, but we've got a long ways to go still. Camden's getting his stuff in order. Camden, anything you're gonna miss about this house? Or just the area in general that you're not gonna have in Florida?
Maybe I'm not gonna have that big of a room. Maybe a little teeny bit tinier.
I think your room is bigger. How about the cold weather? You gonna miss the cold weather?
No.
No?
I'm gonna be living in the oven.
One thing's for sure is the cats are loving all the boxes. Jumping in, jumping out, and all that good stuff. Zach's in here packing up his room. Anything you're gonna miss about this house?
Definitely a lot. I mean, this is where I grew up, so gonna miss it.
I think he's pretty much got his room packed up here for the most of it. Besides, the game is still hooked up because he's gonna be playing that.
Leave it.
You're gonna leave it here when we move?
No, leave it there. I'm playing it.
And he's working on his room, but right now he's still working on putting his Pokemon cards together. So today is moving day. We got almost everything packed up. We still got a couple things left to pack and tear down. But Camden right now is off to school for his last day in Maryland. And he is headed out the door right now. Any last words before you come home and the house is empty?
Not really. Just excitement.
Just excitement?
Uh-huh.
All right, well, have a good day at school and the last day in Maryland. All these boxes. All be packed today.
Behave yourself.
Remember, you can be as bad as you want today. It doesn't matter.
No.
Raining?
Yep. Pouring. It's gonna be fun. Loading the truck in the rain.
He gets every picture of everything we do.
So we're here eating pizza. The last time in the house with Mom and Bob here eating also.
Got a picture of the pizza?
And the movers are loading up as we speak. We're just about all cleaned out. The house is pretty well empty, as you can see. Today we leave for Florida. Alright, so the day is now that we're leaving. Everything is out of the house, as you can see. And we got Mom and Bob to see us off. Anything before we leave?
See you on the flip side.
See you Saturday.
Mom, say anything to us leaving?
Yes. I'm praying that y'all have a safe trip. And see you in Florida.
Everything's out and everything's on the truck and headed to Florida. And that's where we will see you next, in Florida.
My other question, would you like to ask?
All right, so we made it about halfway here, or halfway to Florida. We stopped for the night because these little hellions down here needed a break. And they're super glad to be out.
They were my backup singers for about the last hour.
So we're taking a little break tonight at the, where are we at? Econo Lodge. We're stocked up in St. George, South Carolina. So we're gonna take a rest tonight, and then we got about
80 miles left.
About 5.5 hours to go. And how many miles?
About 380, 385,
300.
something like that.
We'll say 375. And then we'll be in Florida tomorrow at our new place. Well, today's been a rough day for all of us because we just got moved in here. And now we got all this stuff to put away. What a mess. But we're working on it. And Bethany's having a fit right now because we can't find screws for Camden's bed. But it's okay, we'll find them eventually. Right, dear? And we're working on getting his room together. Just need screws for the bed. And I gotta build our bed before we can go to bed tonight. But we're making progress. We're getting it done. At least we're in Florida and it's warm. That's a good thing. Right, dear? She's got a pretty smile, doesn't she? All right, next time we do the video, we'll have all this mess looking nice. 1 week later, and we've made some progress here. As you can see, it's starting to look like a normal house. We're getting stuff put away. There's not many boxes left here. She's got her rocker up. She's rocking away. Still got a couple boxes, but we got some storage going on here. But it's coming together. It's looking a lot better. We're going to the beach now.